Hi guys, I'm here today. We're gonna play Obby. We're gonna see it, guys. So this one is impossible Obby. We're gonna do it at home. Okay, we're gonna joining server. We're gonna playing Roblox, guys. Okay guys, we're in, and there's the badge. Everyone wants pro chat award. So this is the easy mode that can I use this? No, I don't have any Robux. I don't have. So I'm just gonna keep easy, guys. We're gonna make 10 obbies, 10 obbies, random obbies, guys, random obbies. We're going to random obbies, guys. Okay. Continue, guys. And still there's buds there. So continue. I made a long video. So far, I'm just gonna... No dying! No dying! Please! No dying! Please, don't die. I keep on dying. Why are you keep dying? No! No! Please, stop. Yes, I didn't fall, guys. Don't fall. I said don't fall. Don't fall. Yes. Don't fall. Don't fall. Yes. We're gonna beat that Obby, guys. We're gonna beat that Obby. Obby Baturi. Yes. Okay. Yes. Wait. No. No. Okay. Next one. Yay! Better word. So many. Long. Why is long? We're gonna put 100 there. Don't die. Yes. Don't die, okay? If you die, then I will lose now. Oh no, I'm still. Oh no. Okay. It's still invisible. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna get 10 random obbies. So I'm just gonna beat. No. Okay. No, I died. Okay. Let's go. Don't die, please. No. Okay, we're gonna don't die. There's so many obbies. Okay, there's invisible. Oh my god. Gonna. No. No. Please. Oh, stop. Oh. No, I want to make it. Please. Stop falling. I want to speed one. No. No. Okay. Oh, yes. We're gonna beat that Obby, guys. We're gonna beat that Obby. We're playing Roblox random Obby. Random Obby. Okay. No, I'm scared. Yes. Yes. Okay. We're gonna beat that Obby. Because it's still fun. Ah! No. Okay, don't fall. Yes. Don't fall. Please. Please. Okay. Yes. What? What the? Huh? I died. What the? Okay. No, no, no! Don't fall. I said don't fall. Oh no, so many. It's so hard. No. It's impossible. No. Come on. Please. Okay, please. I'm scared. Please don't die. We're gonna do this at OB. And play this in OB. Guys, I play easy OB. So yeah, I play that this time. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Easy OB. Yes, yes, yay. Easy. Oh no. I'm not gonna play a hard mode because it's so hard. Yes, we finally made it. So many. Yes. Come on, please. No! I'm not gonna... Yes or no? Do that. Yes or no? Or do that. Yes or no? No. Okay. Revive. This could be the easiest one. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. Let's beat that OB before the OB will end. Okay. Oh. Don't fall. Don't fall. How about 4? 4, I guess. How about 4 random OB? Yes. No! Okay. Don't fall. Oh my god! Stop falling! Yo! Yo! Yes! Why am glitchy so fast? Ow! Okay. Oh. No, it's so hard. Why? Why is so hard? Why? Don't do this. Please. No. Oh no. Oh no. No. We're flying. This much. Yes. Yes. We're gonna... What the? Huh? I need this bot. Ah! What's you gonna do? Hello? Hello, I'm an expert. No. No, I'm gonna fall. No. No, it's so... No. Oh. No, no. Yes, yes. No. Okay. I'm just gonna do this again. So this is one is so hard level. No. No. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Stop. Oh. Yes. 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 No, it's so hard. Why? Why did you put this one? Okay. Oh. No. Oh. Oh, yes! Yes! It's so easy! Yes. Come on, please. 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 Oh, it's so hard. Yes, yes. Please. Woo! Yes. 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 Yes, we're in. Ah! Yes, we're in 56. Again. 57. Oh no. No. We got 60. Okay. No, too hard, please. Don't make a hard mode. Guys. Please. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh no, don't fall, don't fall. Wait. Yes, 60. Oh no. Oh. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. No! Okay, don't fall. Yes! Good job! Good job, game! Yes! Yes! We're gonna beat this obby. No! Okay. Stop falling. Stop trolling. Yes. We're gonna reach it. No! Okay. This is the hardest game. Why just put the hard mode? Okay. Don't do that. Okay. Okay. I go. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Look at that. The down is so good. Okay. The down looks like... Ah! Look at that. I put up this level. No. Okay, let's go. No. It's so hard. No. Yes. 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 Oh no. Let's go. Yes! No! Yes! Yes! No! Yes! Finally. Oh no. Yes! Yes! Okay. We have to do the obby master. So I can beat this obby in the end. Ah! Yo, this is tricky. Yes! And this. Yes! Okay. Oh no. No, please. Don't hard mode. No. No, I keep on falling. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please, yes. Yes, please. No. Okay. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. No! Stop falling. Yes. Yes, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Come on, please. Please, I'm begging you. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna beat the boss. No! Okay. Stop falling. Stop. Yes. Oh my god. Oh no. No, don't fall. No. Yes. No. Please. It's so hard. No. Please don't do this again. Yes. I got you. Come on. Please, yes. Please, come on. Okay. I'm glitching. Stop glitching. No, please, don't fall. No. Yes. Oh no. Yes. Final end. No. Okay. No. I'm so hard. No. Okay. No. Please, I was so close. No. Okay. Please, it's so close. No, please. No, don't fall. No. This is the hardest game ever. Guys, this is the hardest game ever. So I'm just gonna choose whatever you want. How about we try escape Baldi's parkour obby? So yeah, this is the easy mode. So yeah, guys, this is the easiest game ever. Oh no. Yes, but you word. I didn't want what I'll be with. I don't know. Dude. But you word. Okay, I'm just gonna beat that obby. No, I wanna finish this game. Please, it's so hard. No. Haha. I'm beating you. Haha. I wanna beat you. Run, 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 run. Run, run away, my friends. Run, run, run away. Yes! Better one. Again one. And my friend. Stage is award. C award. What the heck? Looks like Philippines. Oh no! They're catching up. Quickly. Quickly, quickly. No. No, please, please don't fall. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, please. Oh my god, no. No, he's so fast. He's so fast. Okay, you pick the green, blue, red, blue, green. Okay, I want just to beat you. I'm beating you. Yes! Catch me, huh? Catch me you can. I'm just gonna beat her. Beat her, beat her. Haha! Haha, noob! You're still a noob! I'm a pro! Okay. No! What? Again, no! No! I wanna beat you! No, 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 please, please, please! What you gonna choose? No? Can I choose? Can I choose? Please, please. Ah! I choose this. Ah! Ano? Yes. The OB is so hard. That OB is so easy. You're so easy, bro. So I didn't get the 100 points. So yeah, that's okay. This one is... We're gonna beat this 100%, guys. We're gonna beat this 100%. Okay. Nah! What the? What the? Oh. Please, don't die. Okay, please don't die. Yes. Okay. Yes. We're gonna beat this level. Yay. Yes, yes, yes. No! Yes, yes. No. Oh, wait. No. I wanna beat you. Ah! No! No! No, I wanna beat you. This one is so good. Yes. Yes, I love this level. I love this level. That's my number. So call me, baby. Okay. Last one. The dry cat. Oh no! You trying me, huh? No! No! You trying me? Ah! What are you doing? No! 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 I try again. I tried. Guys, stop. Stop falling. Stop. Oh, please. Oh my god, I'm glitching so obvious. No. 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 Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. No. Okay, let's not die. I guess. Stop. No. Okay. Quickly, no. Okay, stop. Stop. No. Please. 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 Don't. No. Okay. Again. No. Again. Please. No. Why I get this?
Santa isn't real. Right. Yes, real, idiot. He only comes if you are sleeping.
Please. Yes. We're gonna beat this level. I mean, lucky. We're gonna beat this lucky block. It's special. Special, guys. Special. Okay. Special. No, I'm glitchy. Yes. Yes. Oh, I didn't die. Jailbreak. Wow. 30 award. We're gonna 30 award. 30 award. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Please. 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 I wanna beat you. Please. I wanna beat you. Please. No. No. Ah!
$1 million to visit this planet right here, what would you say? If your answer was anything but no, I apologize, but you are absolutely dead. This TikTok slideshow brings to life a very fascinating exoplanet by the name of HD 189733b. As you can see, this person right here in the slideshow
Okay.
ended up screenshotting
That
this
looks
exoplanet,
easy.
and yes, even though
Easy
these are
than I
really
thought.
cool, they're
We're
completely
gonna
this exoplanet
beat
so
this
far does look
mode.
friendly. It's blue, kind of
Oh,
like Earth.
they
However,
want
this blue is not from
Obi
Mars, but rather
my
silicon
friend,
dust that is in the
my friend
atmosphere. On
stayed
top of this, winds here blow around 50 to
30
100
award.
miles per hour, which is much
50,
faster than the
I
speed of
60
sound.
award.
On the bright side,
Fish
it does
60
rain.
award.
The bad
Yes,
news about
yes.
rain, though, it's made out of glass.
You
If
up.
you spent any time outside, it would be death by
Wow, the read is so fast. Stage. Okay. Okay, I'll just one please. Oh my god.
Today I'm going to share with you some good news. Our producer
Why did I not die there in down? I not. Oh, see, there's no dying on down. See? Okay, that's alright.
I would say it looks similar to
Okay,
the
stop.
picture we mentioned.
I didn't die.
Shared in-game visuals.
I'm falling when I died. I didn't die. See? It's so pro. Why is so pro? Why my jump so slow? We're gonna. Oh!
Tell us what you would name
We're gonna reach it. Oh no. Stop. Stop glitching. We're gonna beat the. What? No!
we are already
We're gonna beat this.
We can say
Obby. Oh my god! We're gonna beat this Obby. So yeah.
until we know the
I know.
identity of this secret kaiju. Let me know your guesses in the
We're gonna beat this Obby.
See you.
Obby Battery. Battery D. The Obby Battery, the bike. I play that. This one, so many Obbies. Obby. Stat player. Yo, stat player. Stat player. I remember this player before. I don't know. This player. Yay. Oh, Nigerian ones with friend stage 60 ice. 60. I don't know. It's 70 award. Okay. Stop. Okay. Stop dying. It's so hard. It will get hard. No. Why is it impossible? Oh, see, where is it? No dying! Ah! No dying! No, please! No! Ah! No, please! Or else I will leave. It's over. Please. Please, I wanna beat Lucky Block. If you not beat Lucky Block, I will leave. Please, don't hurt me. Yes! I'm doing this again. Yes, sir. I'm doing, yes. Yes, we're gonna beat this Baldi's basics mode. Look and see, a Baldi. They got a green shirt. So yeah, it looks like uniform, guys. They get okay, one, see money. Okay. Adrian wants I'll be with my friends stage 50 award. Yes! We're gonna go to again. Yes! We're gonna beat this. Come on, please. We're gonna beat this. If you... Come on, I wanna finish. Oh my. Stop. Stop stacking. Stop. So yes. I'm scared. Please. Yes. Please stop. Oh my god. Yes. Who's singing? What the? Wait, let me see. What? We switch to your 25. What? Can I switch to R15 avatar? What the? Wait, I can't. Avatar to play in Malta. Okay. So I didn't. Please don't die. Please. If you die, it's over. Please. No! Please. Please, someone. Stop. Oh, it's raining tacos. Okay. 93, 94. What? Okay. Wait. I'm just gonna die. Where should gonna go? Oh, there he is. No. Oh no, it's so hard. I get it now. Sorry, guys. No. It's so hard. No, please. No. No, it's so hard. Why they put the new hard mode? Please. Don't hit me. No, it's so hard. No, please. Please, let me finish this. Yes. Oh no, also the floor is lava. Yes. Ow. Okay, where's she? Yes. Finally. 80, 19, 98. Oh my god, stop. Okay, we're here. Stop. No. No. Wait. Guys, Guys, this is the hardest game ever. Guys, this is Fun OB. That's new. Guys, let's try this one, guys. That's so easy. Not Baldi. Okay. Not that obvious. Okay, we're back. So I played this. Oh, I didn't want banana. Playing awards. Okay. Why I'm look like a statue, guys? Yes. We're gonna put 100%. No! I died! Please. Why I'm looks like a statue? Please. Why I'm look like this? So I'm just gonna do it okay. You know? No. wait. Hold on. Let's do this. Yes. Bye. I will leave you. No! She's fast. No. She's fast. Guys, she is fast. Faster than me. Why did you do that? Haha, you died. You also died. Please. Woohoo! Bye. Bye. Yes. Haha, bye. Toot. Haha, you cannot chase me. Please. Just go. No, please don't die. Please. Oh no. No, please. Come on. No. Yes. No, yes. No. Please, don't die. No, please. She is fast. No, please. Woohoo! Haha, you cannot chase me, huh? Oh no. No, don't die, please. Don't die. Haha, you died. You also died. She's died. Haha, you cannot chase me, huh? You cannot chase me. I'm so easy. I'm so funny. In a tree. So call me. Oh no! Wait. Oh no, there is. Quickly. Can I? Yes. Bye. Woohoo! Yay! Oh no, we have to wait. Come on, quickly, before the girl is chasing me. Yes! Please, take me away. Yes, goodbye, girl. I love you. Okay, this. Let's wait. I'm not gonna wait. I'm so dumb. Why? She's dumb. She is the dumb person ever. Yay! You cannot fix me. Stage 30 award. We're gonna explore. We're gonna beat this one. Please don't die. Please don't fall. Yes! Okay, I made this. Yes. Let's speed run. Let's speed run this one. We're gonna play Roblox. Obby. No. Yoink. Oh, see? I did that in Ultimate Obby. Stage 25 award. See, I did. See, I told you guys. See, I told you. I didn't die in Ultimate Obby. Guys, it's so fun. It looks like the fun Obby. So I play that. Okay, we're gonna. Oh no. About 10, I guess. 10. Yeah, okay. We're gonna beat this one, yes, ma'am. Come on, I wanna beat this one. Maybe 70, 71. Please. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Ah! I died! Yo, I died. Okay. They're gonna be easy. Why it looks like bloop? What the? Bloop? Stage 45 award. And then one's banana award. Okay. No! Oh, we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. Please, please. No! No, no! Yo, I'm just gonna try again. Try again. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woohoo! Oh! Oh! Oh, the floor is, disappear. Okay, if I touch it, if I stamp it, the floor will be disappear, okay? Okay, that's easy. Ah! Oh no, it's so fast. Yes. Woohoo! Haha, you cannot catch me, huh? Ah, you cannot catch me. Haha. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're reaching it. We're gonna reach it. 86. We're gonna reach 100. Why it looks so fast? What the? No, I don't have. I got 0. Robux. Please. Please. Ah! You scared me. Oh, need a pizza. Okay. We're gonna... Oh, you died, haha. You died. You eat so funny. We're gonna move so funny. Eating so funny. I'm so funny. And it's so ah! Okay, we have to wait. It is so funny. Ah! Okay, it is so funny. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Yes. Yes. Please. Please. I'm begging you. Don't die. Please, don't die. Ah, I'm begging. Ah! Yes. Finally. We're reaching. No. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please, it's so hard. Oh no, it's so hard. Yay. Okay. Hello. Looks like. Yes, we're reaching it. Reaching it. We're reaching. No. No, don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die, please. Yes. Yay. Arjun wants banana. Obviously wins the game award. Yes, the game award. Woohoo! 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 Guys, yo, yo, this is insane. You know what? I'm just, haha, haha. You cannot escape. You cannot escape. Haha. No. Okay. Okay. Guys, we found the egg. We're gonna click it. Come on! Yo, please, please. Click, please. Yes, oh no. Yes, the egg. Yay. No. Haha. Haha, you cannot escape. No! Guys, this is the easy mode, Obi. So yeah, next, Steropika Obi. I don't care. Steropika Obi. We're gonna escape this one. Where is easy always. Hospital Obi. I don't know how to read. Yo, listen. Yo, the okay. Back. Yo, I'm Blowbat. play. Yes. Oh no. Please. Please. Start. Come on, please. Start. Okay. We're in one of... What? The OB? Okay. What the? Oh, it's me! All players have... Oh, hello. Welcome to our Roblox OB. You go with the... Oh, I don't know how... Guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.